Ready to build your dream website with the power of WordPress on Hostinger? Let's dive right in. First, log into your Hostinger account and head over to the Websites section. This is where all your web projects live. Now simply click on the Add Website button. A pop-up will appear here. From the Add Website pop-up, select WordPress. This is the easiest way to get started. You'll then be prompted to enter your website's details. Choose an email address you'll use for the WordPress admin. Create a strong password for your WordPress login and give your website a title. Once you've filled in those details, simply click the Install button. Hostinger's auto-installer will now work its magic, setting up WordPress for you in just a few moments. And just like that, your WordPress website is installed and ready to go. You can now click Manage to access your WordPress admin dashboard. From here, you can start customizing your site, adding content, and making it your own. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach, Hostinger also offers a manual installation method. You can find detailed guides on their support pages if you'd like to explore that option. Congratulations! You've successfully installed WordPress on Hostinger. Now go ahead and build something amazing.